okay. So for the next section, oops. We're just having one technical issue here. Just 1 second. Sorry. Sorry for that. I guess it's the new sayings today. We always have technical issues at tech conferences. And we'll just let the people go slightly and move into the next section. Hey guys, sorry, could we please have the silence, please? We're going to the next section right now to do the Hackathon showcase. So I'll introduce the Hackathon to you guys first. So basically what happened in the Hackathon is it's not a typical tech hackathon, you know, where it's for the tech bros. They have a coding problem like a math question and you do it. It's something very different. We asked for real challenges to be given from the challenge owners, and these challenge owners came from Alibaba Cloud, Antler, KRGP, Haiti Health, Heartbloom AI, Nexus MD, NUVC.ai, and StarPlan. And each of them are in sort of different aspects, and all of them has presented us a very interesting challenge to go through, to run through. And thank you for their support during during the event. And this event essentially was 7 days long, where the hackathon participants hacked, you know, made things while vibe coding, while teamwork, not just on site, but also from home. And last week, on the last Saturday, on the 30th of August, we had a very exciting demo day with the participants presenting their demos on site and the judges going through. And this week, we are inviting all the 8 winners of each challenge to be here to do a showcase of their solutions. It's a bit like the Shark Tank the show, but we're not doing a competition. Everyone's a winner, and we're here to welcome them to join us on the stage. And there will be a final prize to be reviewed at the end of the day. And thank you all. We'll be welcoming our first team from Nexus MD, the challenge, no pointer, sorry.
Hi everyone, this is my first time, so I'm a bit nervous. I'm not sure if it's the floor or my legs that are shaking, so I'll try my best and let's see how it goes. Three minutes. Yeah, three minutes. Yeah.
Yeah. The slide's coming, so.
All right, no worries. Okay. Yeah, so hi, I'm Kush, and Auto MBS. It's AI-powered Medicare coding assistant for Australian healthcare system. So what's MBS, first of all? So MBS in Australia, it's government's list for subsidized medical services used for hang on. Oh yeah, sorry, yeah. So used for, there are certain sets and rules for these medical codes. It's used by clinicians and hospitals to bill for Medicare services. And there are each service has its own item number, eligibility and restrictions and all. Now, the challenge, the current rule set is kind of large, complex, hard to understand, and there are a lot of complexities in that. Billing is kind of risk sensitive most of the time, and there are a lot of different parameters as well, age restrictions and all. And unless you are an expert in the field, it gets hard for you to kind of do those code generations and all. Now, in terms of the solution, the AutoMBS kind of does the heavy lifting for you. What that means is like it ingests and then understand, evaluate, match, and then explain the codes for you. Basically, the result is kind of a speed up process where you are not wasting a lot of time and you get the codes right away without any sort of trouble. So I'll just do a live demo of the product, which this is just an MVP built during last week hackathon. So just the video would kind of pick up the pace, but yeah, you basically sign in and you see the dashboard where you have a couple of options to generate the codes or see the existing record. You start creating a new analysis, you fill in the patient information in the form, and the information then goes to the model and in terms of a JSON context. The model then matches the information with the knowledge base and then predicts the output. You get a complete result with the accurate medical codes, with the confidence factor and a lot of other information as well. You can kind of follow up your the model with your other queries. You can ask follow-up questions and get the results. And once you're happy with that, you can generate a report with like a PDF report with the form information, the codes and everything. You can go back to the system and check the information, check existing records, pick from where you left it, and then just delete the records. So yeah, that's what was built during the last week. The market potential is kind of big in terms of like just a regular number. According to AIHS, there are like 163 clinical consultations happened last year at a growth rate of 6%. So if you are implementing this system in consultations, like even at a 0.1% figure, that's like gaining efficiency in 163 consultations. That's like real-time saving, real growth, and real value.
Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And I'm very sorry to be an annoying person because their products are actually really good, and all of these products, by the way, are made, within 7 days. All you've seen today on the screen from the next 8 presenters are all just made in 7 days, and they only have 3 minutes to present it. So it's kind of unfair for them here today to do it, and the scoring and things like that were done before today. So today's really about demo and showcasing, and we hope you all enjoy this fun part. So let's welcome the next team who worked on NUVC's challenge. Welcome the team NextMind, please. Thank you very much. You have 3 minutes. We'll knock first on 2, and then knock on 3. Okay? Thank you.
Starting?
And this is forwards, backward.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So before I started, I encourage everyone, if you have a phone, just scan the right side of the QR code to experience the journey with us. All good? All good? So yeah, let's start it. So yeah, so just a brief background about the 12 to 18 years old Australia teenagers. So nearly 9%, 2.5 million of population in Australia. And then the saving is that around 2.4K from 18 to 24, and 1.1K less than 17 years old. And let's talk about the investment. So as you can see that only nearly 5% of population from 18 to 24, they have the investment experience before. So as you can see that when they come to their big ticket mileage, we found out they, if they want to buy their first big house, so right now it's nearly like 36 years old. So we can see that actually it's very important for them to gain some investment and financial knowledge before they hit their milestone. So here comes our solution. So we provide 4 different kinds of AI financial coaches, and we use the historical financial events as our mission. So we have the reward system that allows the user to use their experience point to redeem the coupons. And all is generated by the AI. You can see there's a real-time response from the AI financial coaches. And finally, we provide a stimulation investment competition for the user, so they can take their what they learn and put into practice. Okay, so next, here's our plan. So right now, we come up with 2 different tracks of our revenue. First is B2B2C, which what we want to gain learn to earn and engage our platform with the users and with the merchants. And the second will be B2B, that we provide our significant financial resource, and we can collaborate with the existing investment platform. So the phase 1 will be we have the counter sponsorship, and the second will be our compliance referral. Yeah. So here's our presentation. Thanks. Thanks for listening.
Thank you very much. I think the product, when I saw the video, was very inspiring. You learn kind of from history on investment opportunities in history that a lot of us wasn't born in. So it's something that you would never think about in the past. And as the most funniest part of their demo video is they did a demo video to submit the proposal, and on the demo video, the participant somehow did every single wrong mistake they could have ever done. They went for every single wrong mistake, and it was very, very funny to watch the demo video. And I guess as we move into the next group, it's something that's very different from education and finance. It's about healthcare again. So we are welcoming the team EcoCare, who took on the challenge of Haiti Health. Thank you very much. Click us here, so that's forward, and this is forward? This is backward. And you have 3 minutes.
Hi everyone. Do you know that GPs actually in Australia spend 6 hours a week at least purely on admin? And also we have a study shows 19% of appointments actually no-shows. Think about it, if we can spend all this time on consultation, that's saving total 100K for just one GP in 1 year. I worked as a receptionist, I really know how pain that is. Even with online platform like Hot Docs, patients still prefer phone calls, especially for those in rural areas, aged, and whose English is not their first languages. Also, meanwhile, we see follow-up calls can really increase the retention by 20%, but receptionists simply don't have the time.
To solve this problem, we have built a fully automated agentic AI system that receives or makes call to patients, updates calendars and profiles in real time autonomously. So now, let me show you guys the demo. Change the screen. Wait, we don't have sound. We need sound.
Yes, it's coming.
It's coming? Yes. Can you rewind it? Yeah, so essentially over here, the patient is calling and then trying to book an appointment. That's the first task. And the patient is going to and it books appointment autonomously and then reschedules it. And then live, you can change the language in the middle, so you can, and this is the second task, follow up after the doctor has consulted the patient, and then now clinic wants to collect more information.
I'm sorry to hear that. I'll make sure to flag this for doctor review within 24 hours. Are you noticing any reactions to any prescribed medications?
The rash on my left arm may be because of medication, and I also have headaches.
Do you have any other concerns or questions about your treatment that you'd like to discuss?
If my medication is reacting, so should I stop taking it or should I change my medication?
That's an important question. It's best to speak directly with the doctor before making any changes to your medication.
So
I'll note your reaction and flag it for the doctor to review as soon as possible.
So it
Now
doesn't
let me
try to
update your
become
records.
doctor, it only communicates the information.
This will be reviewed
And then
within 24
updates
hours.
live.
If anything changes or worsens, call us right away. Take care.
Okay, go back.
So we're not just a hackathon project, we're really building a sustainable business. So our model is very lean. Each call only costs them $2 and versus a 5 to 10 minutes staff time. And also the reminders are cheaper than SMS. Also, we have very flexible and affordable subscriptions, and we're eco-care. We're 24/7, multilingual, and we handle multiple calls at once. We help GPs and more to focus on care, not cost. More importantly, we're not just product fit, we're founder market fit. Thank you so much.
Just a quick reminder, all these things are built in 7 days, and it's amazing, as you can see, how much it's shown. And feel free to talk to the participants afterwards to see what they've done. So let's quickly move into the next team. And I remember when we had the panel earlier today with Fina, she was asking about, emotional friend of AI, something like that. And we'll be hearing from something similar right now. So let's welcome Bloom 1, who participated in the challenge, Hard Bloom AI, please. Thank you very much.
Hi, everyone. Yeah. Okay, cool. Hi, I'm Joyce. I'm part of the Hard AI Hackathon Hard Bloom AI. So that's pretty much to create a AI companion app.
Yeah,
And I'm leading the marketing and the go-to-market plan, and I have here is
yeah, my name is James. I'm the AI dev.
Cool. So basically, can anyone in here? I'll just. So our team covers AI, UX, product, and marketing. It's and a full stack expertise. With the problem that we have is 1 in 7 adolescents face mental health and challenges, and that's more than 50% that have actual health issues. Especially with post-COVID, there are more and more young adolescents and teenagers actually experiencing emotional issues and lacking that social and communication skill. And gaps and opportunities. So we've got the Gen Z and the tweens crave empathetic, playful space and a safe place where they can have real human interaction. As we can see, we've done some basic research. The teen wellness market is over $115 billion in terms of the AI companion adoption, and it's booming. So there will be predicted to be over 300 billion expected customers. So that's a huge opportunity for us. We'll just go back to here. So as you can see, there are many players already in the market. We've identified there's a lot of weaknesses. So that would be like that some of the games that are gamified will cause some sort of memory loss and also lack of privacy. We're tackling these 2 weaknesses to become our advantage in the marketplace once we do further research in the next steps. And our solution here is that Hard Bloom AI is going to be the AI-powered growth game for teens, making it personal development, which is fun, rewarding, and that can be played. So basically, this app allows the teen or the adolescents to actually talk to that companion, which is Emma, which is Elf, which we'll have here, as you can see. And as they complete milestones, their plant will slowly grow, and then they can collect more seeds to continue to, grow the plant. And they will be feeling like they'll be rewarded instantaneously. And it's for the teenagers, it's a sense of achievement of the milestone. And this also helps to build that social confidence as well, on building their social and communication skills as well. This is the working demo, which we'll play.
Yeah, just show you guys a quick demo from here. So basically, we're building an AI companion. So multi-device supported, this on the desktop.
I'm not feeling very well. I'm overwhelmed by the hackathon. There were lots of work to do, and I'm really frustrated about the teamwork.
You see, she's thinking and the lip sync.
Thank you for sharing how you're feeling right now. It sounds like the combination of a heavy workload and challenges with teamwork is really overwhelming and frustrating for you. That's
Pretty
a lot
good,
to
huh?
carry, and it makes complete sense that you're feeling this.
All right, we can cut this.
Can you tell me more about what's been happening?
Yeah, we can stop this. So basically, this AI companion can be on multi-devices, on your desktop, on your iPhone, on your iPad, and has built-in knowledge, right? He understands what you're talking about. He understands the industry. We are using a rack system to drive this, and also as a support multilingual. That's it.
Yeah, so that's pretty much to target the persona. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, and great, and I hope this answers Fina's earlier questions. And let's move to the next group from Care GP, the group GP Healer, please. Is it coming? Do you need the microphone? First mark for 2 minutes, for 3 minutes.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm May from GP Healer, and here's the thing. After every consultation, every GP has to pick the top Medicare billing code from over 4,500 items. And if you get it right, you are paid, and if you get it wrong, you risk compile. And this is the code. It's long and technical, and it's compact with conditions. So it means there is a lot of work for GP, and also slow down the consults, also have higher audit risk. This is the problem we set out to solve. So let's look at the demo.
Hi everyone, this is our dashboard. On our dashboard, we submit. Hi everyone, this is our dashboard. On our dashboard, we summarize data on the past claims and visualize them. First, you will see all claims from the last 30 days. We also calculate a reject rate based on claims that were denied last month. You can adjust the filter range. For example, you can select the past 90 days and over 180 days, and then choose which provider you want to view. We also provide various visualizations like bar chart, line charts, and pie charts to make your data cleaner and easier to understand. We also summarize all rejected claims for audit purpose. You can click the Export Errors button to download the details information about each rejected claims. Then you can click the AI suggestion button on the sidebar, and this is our main function. You can select the patient at first and see a summary of their past information. Then you can input your clinical notes, something like this, and click the AI suggestions. Then the AI will recommend the 5 MBS items based on 2 main parts. First, we use RAG to calculate the semantic similarity and rank candidates. We then take the top 5 results and filter them through our rule engine. The rule engine checks each item against the clinical notes context to see if it meets all criteria or if there are any violations. Some rules may be mutually exclusive, so certain items cannot be chosen together. For example, like this one and this one. So there will be conflicts. You need to solve the conflicts at first. Also, you can click the explain to see why item failed. For example, like in this case, it requires like it should be over 45 minutes, but only took 30 minutes in our case. It will fail. But ultimately, the final decision is up to the user. If you are
Sorry guys, time to start up. Sorry. Thank you so much for the presentation. I really do need to try to practice to be more annoying as much as I can. I really don't like stopping this, but let's move forward. And the next group is very different to healthcare industry, moving away from there. We're listening from team Mess with the D, you get the N tiers. And they're taking on the Antler challenge for the VCs. Do you need 2 mics? Yeah, so one knock on 2 minutes? Yes. 3 minutes, yes.
Easy. Oh, wait, where's the... Is that clicker?
So this is forward.
That's forward?
Yes.
Easy. Oh. Yeah, start. Hi, we are Talent Intel, helping VCs spot the next founder before the world does. VC Scout on LinkedIn, quick profile reads, founder AI tags, career history. But it's built for job seekers and annoying sales reps. Real builders code on GitHub and they share on tiny Twitter threads. When the founder becomes obvious, the round is crowded and costly. VCs need an edge. Yasin, what would that solution look like?
I think we can do something amazing. We can take some for example, 63,000 GitHub profiles. But we can also create an intelligent matrix point system, like check if they are working on an open source. Are they creating something novel? What are their last 100 comments? And
Alex, touch pass.
hello. How it works. Yeah. So, yeah, not only this, but extra 20 points signals that we can just get from GitHub. So from GitHub platform, we can get this enrichment data. There are multiple platforms that we can get data from. So from this many data points and data platforms, and there is so many metrics that we can apply, and that much data enrichment, we need an architecture that we can do it. And I think we can create an architecture like this. We get the best users for each platform. We match that users across all platforms, and then we create a unified profile for that user. Now we have a point system for that unified profile to see how good they are as an AI founder. After that, we have a sweet AI agent that works very well for your fallback questions, so you don't have to go to another system. Now, but why us, Antoine? Why us?
We have multiple postgrad qualifications and lead the data science at a $3.5 billion fund, and we worked with a leading VC to create a proprietary scorecard using their insights from over 100,000 startups. We're going to target seed VCs. Let's just get to the good part. Play the demo.
Yeah, let's see. So our demo is we got the 100 AU founders. You can ask the AI assistant, like, what's the last report they worked on? It will give you the data, and it will give you the extra tools you can work on. The AI analysis will also say 0 to 1 builder, like why you find this as an AU founder as well. You can see their GitHub profiles, the last repositories, if their commits are a fix or a bug, or are they just changing a document. So we want real development, right? Now you can get hackathons, competitions, and you can see the winners, what products they created. So it's a lot of things that I cannot talk about right now, but it's very complicated. And to top it off, we have AI news. So we want every user and every topic which is current to last 6 months. So we got data from 2023 to 2025, and we matched it with a very, very complex system, but it's called cosine similarity, and we got the best news possible. So that's us. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I guess the biggest thought of myself after seeing their demo is that I need to post more stuff on TikTok so I can be seen by VCs in the future. And let's quickly move to the next, after my bad jokes, I'm sorry about that. So the next challenge comes from Alibaba Cloud, and we are listening from Health Pager. Thank you very much. So you have 3 minutes. One. Just this one. And so this is forward, this is backward.
This is forward?
Yes, this is backward. So you have 3 minutes. The first knock is on the second minute. And
Cool.
Hello everyone, we are the representatives of the Alibaba Challenge and our product's called Open Room.
So we'll skip past this and get to the good stuff, but just to introduce it, we're working on a AI software that essentially makes discharge summaries quicker, faster and safer.
Skip past that too. So here's the problem. Next slide please. Patients can't be discharged from hospital without a completed discharge summary, and writing patient discharge summaries takes up valuable medical staff time, but the discharge summary is essential to reducing patient readmission rates and rehabilitation. Nationwide, hospitals are losing hours and millions to these discharge delays, and patients in need are kept waiting longer. It's time to take action. Next.
Sorry, the clicker's not working. Yeah, clicker's not working. Sorry, the clicker's not working. Oh. Now it is.
Here are a few stats for you. The doctors usually spend about 45 minutes going back and forth, looking at the docs and writing a summary. Next slide, please. This is the cost of delay, about 3K per day for a small hospital. And the higher end is up to 62 million per month for a huge hospital.
Our user base ranges from doctors to nurses to bed managers. These are the main pain points we identified.
Awesome, and we'll click on through.
Here's the approach to the Alibaba Challenge. So we're basically getting medical docs, getting a bit of context from the medical docs so that our AI knows what the context of the case is. And then we're going to go ahead and the agent is going to produce an AI summary. And our third feature using AI is we're doing source tagging. This is to basically let the doctor know where the information is coming from and from which document exactly, so that the doctor can go back if there's something wrong.
Cool. We've gone for a simplistic approach. Open Room has key features of login, dashboard, patients, and summaries.
All right, so let's show you our solution. We go to the next one. Play the video. So here we go. So we're going to log in. And we're going to 2 times speed it. Beautiful. So you can see we land on our dashboard. You can see immediate patient. This way. Patient actions. These are some of like the key settings. You can see here we move across to patients and you can see patient activity. This is where documents, summaries all exist. You can upload documents that are used to generate said summaries. Then moving back, this is where the magic happens. So you can use AI to generate the summary, as you can see, and essentially that's the main crux of what we're doing here. 5 minutes to generate a summary that would have taken 45 for a doctor who can be treating a patient, which is much more valuable. Hello. We're just saying a little hello there to everybody. And yeah. So editability, which is great because you always need the doctor who's treating, the primary practitioner, to approve things before they go out. So we're not replacing any of the doctor's capabilities. We're simply taking out the admin so they can be treating patients.
Yep.
There you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. We'll be quickly going to our next group. The next group took on the challenge from Star Plan, and the team's name is Darius. Please welcome Darius to the team. Thank you very much.
Hi, I hope everyone can see me. So hi, I am Riddhi and I'm representing my team Darius. We have made ResumeMine an application that is on your phone and easy to use, an AI that builds your resume and finds your fit. So we are heading into a world where AI not only makes your resume but even screens it. So the million-dollar question here is, if both sides are AI just talking to AI, then what happens to the human in the hiring? Now, we believe that's the wrong question to ask. The right question should be, how do we use AI to make humans more human and not less? Here comes ResumeMine, an AI agent that not only that replaces the voice and, an AI agent that doesn't replace the voice, but instead amplifies your voice. ResumeMine handles all the mechanical work, so all the job seekers here can focus on telling their unique stories, building authentic connections, and showcasing the creativity and passion. Let's dive into ResumeMine in action, and let's go for the demo.
Your AI-powered career assistant. In just minutes, it takes you from conversation to career. As soon as we come inside the app, we are asked two options, a job seeker and employer. Let's go with the job seeker. Once we go through the onboarding process, we log in to the application. We do that here through Google, and we log in and we land to the home page. Here we can see this resume progress, and there are 4 options below, which is AI, jobs, and document. Let's go first and check out AI chat option. This is for a user who's new and has logged into the app, and you can talk to the AI as well as upload your videos. For the resume progress part, because the user is already chat with the AI assistant, here you can see their chat. Let's go ahead and first select a nice resume template for the user. Select the color and the template, and yes, use this template, and let's come back. You can always see the user has come to the stage where you can apply for jobs. AI has suggested to apply for jobs. Let's apply for jobs, and that is already done by the AI. Let's explore more options to find out what the application has more to offer. Once we apply to more parts, here we can come to job section, where we can find a job, and we can see that we can tailor resume according to the job. Let's do that, and that is already done. The AI has done spot-on corrections on whatever was needed, and we have checked that and applied for the job. Once you do that, we can not only download the resume on our phone, but even save it to the documents which is inside the app. Now let's go back. These were the important basic features of the user side of the app where a job seeker is applying. Now let's go ahead and check out the employer part of the app. Here we have worked out some features that an employer might need later. This is more like a future prospect, but yeah, of course, this is something you can check it out. That will be all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you very much for the presentation. And I guess we're having our last group to present here as well. So we already had 8 groups, but last week at the final, the judging times, there was one team on one challenge who lost by 0.5 to become the second place. His product is really liked by the challenge owners. So we believe that we should give the team a chance to present here. So please welcome Alpha Vision, who took on the challenge for Nexus MD. Thank you very much.
All right. Good evening, Ed, Mike, Kevin, and my esteemed guests. So I'm going to give a bit of an introduction why there's 2 auto MBS tonight. You've probably seen one at the start of this hackathon challenge by Kush. And I'm doing the same project, and because of a gracious invitation for me to present, due to the technicality and the back end behind the hackathon products that I have, that's why I get to present here today. So for my presentation, I'm going to take you through of the technology that all our experts have talked today of what we can build in just 1 week time. Okay? Let's get ready. Okay, so I'll take us through a brief interview, problem statement, and I'll give a bit of a UI demonstration. Then I'll indulge with me as I take you through how the technology works behind the scene, and I'll wrap it up with why AutoMBS is a viable MVP. So the problem statement is that we've seen and heard MBS is such a mess, but it is how we are built by our GP consultation specialists and everybody we see here. The name of the game right now is for clinicians and their staff to remember which item codes they have to remember and place it down at your given a clinical node so that you can get billed and reimbursed. And that is not scalable, nor is it sustainable. So there must be a better way on how we can retrieve these MBS item codes for clinicians and their staffs. Enter AutoMBS. Not sure if I can play the demo. So AutoMBS takes in a clinical node, as you can see in a second, and then it will extract all the medical entities like diagnosis, durations of visits, so on and so forth. Then it gives you the matching MBS items that it has with a confidence score and reasoning. Staffs can also manually edit and retrieve and add in MBS codes so that we have human-in-the-loop production. It also allows staff to record the patient's ID for future follow-ups and for ease of billing as well. Now, I'll take you through of how the technology behind it works. The solution starts with a clustering algorithm. It's like matching Lego pieces. Instead of just searching a box of 6,000, we break it down to each of the categories of all the MBS item code that it describes. Like item 23 goes into GP, 24 goes to specialist, so on and so forth. Then, once we have the bucket, we need to know that given a clinical node, how and what buckets do we need to search for? I give you Bioclinical BERT MBS, our very own fine-tuned model produced by synthetic data. This allows us to know which buckets to look for given a clinical node. After that, we pass that information on to a reasoning agent of an ensemble. Ensemble means that we use more than one models to produce the result. Now, I would like to signal the strength of AutoMBS being that it is adaptable, meaning it's modular. I can change and add in whatever models I want to do. If there's a better models tomorrow, I'll add that one in. And also, it does not rely on closed commercial source models. So if the government or the clinician says, no GPT, no Claude, we can do that right away. I want to end on the fact that the solutions I'm pitching tonight isn't about providing you with MBS code and description. My idea is that if I can snap my fingers and reduce all the paperwork for clinicians and staff, allowing you to focus on what you do best, patient care and customer service, how much is that worth to your clinic and you? I've been Alpha Vision, and this is AutoMBS. Thank you.
Thank you very much for all the presenters who presented today. And for now, we are heading into the next section of the Hackathon winner prize giving. So for this section, I'll hand over to one of our other co-hosts, Ray from ACASE Melbourne, to present us the prize and the awards. Thank you very much. Please welcome Ray to the stage.
Hello, guys. Hello? Hello, guys. Hello, guys at the back. Hello, guys at the back. Hello, guys at the back. Hello. Hi. I love it. I love it. I love it. What's your name, by the way? Actually, like, I meet you for 3 weeks, but I still don't know your name. Maya. Okay, my name is Ray. Please remember me. All right. Okay, yeah, all right. So I just want to make this ending pretty fun. I don't want to do like a serious sort of conversation. So these are the winning team here. These are the winning team here, like 3 of them, okay? So today I'm gonna announcing the best project winner for 2025 NextGen Hackathon and the best market potential and also the best UX and UI design. So before that, I want to introduce the group that I represent. So today, I'm representing from my own Young's community called AskSia Melvin. So if you guys see my clothes, you should know what's the name. And AskSia Melvin is a youth co-creation community aimed at international students and new immigrants, dedicated to bring a warm and engaging social space for young generation in Australia. Each month, the community focuses on specific theme and organization diverse creative activities, including sport, outdoor adventures, personal growth, social networking, and deep conversation. We encourage members to make friends, broaden perspective, and explore themselves in a safe and enjoyable atmosphere. We also help business and non-for-profit organizations to plan and host events from youth generation insights, bring creativity, fun, and in-depth value creation for clients. Are you guys excited from the back? Are you guys excited at the back? I can see a lot of conversation going on, like, are you guys choosing which team are the best? So before I'm announcing this, I want everyone just to try to reduce your voice, and I want to make this moment especially for all these members who participate in the hackathon, please. Great, great, so good. Round of applause, thank you guys. So in the past 3 weeks, for me, I'm kind of very emotional because I think we host an event that is attract a lot of people that I've never met before. Like, I met AI engineers, I met UX designers, I met people who work 24/7, I met people who's even like during their school time, they have their own startup. It's crazy. It's like we meet the most intelligent people here in Melbourne. So although there's only like 3 prizes that we're gonna announce today, but I wanna say like all these participants coming today are all the winners for each challenge. So basically everyone is the winner. All right, so please show respect to everyone. All right, now it's the time. It's the time. It's actually, okay. Which one you guys want me to say it first? Market potential, US design, or the winner? Winner? Okay, I'm gonna start with the best UX and UI design. Okay, so this team, hello guys. This team is a team of 4. I think it's a team of 4. So they are, all right, I'm gonna tell you straight away. So let's welcome the best UX user design team for 2025 NextGen. Darius, let's welcome. Woo! Welcome on the stage. I think you got one more team member. It's not coming today, right? She definitely lose this moment. All right, so. You are the winner, please. Come on stage. Cheer, please. All right, let's take a picture. Let's take a picture, all right. Okay, so you guys want to say something?
It was really incredible how within a week we were strangers and we met and we finished the project, and it was incredible having to meet everyone in the hackathon and building something so awesome. Thank you.
Again, for all these VCs and people who's interested in investing them, please consider them as a growing project, please, okay? All right, another round of applause, and let's welcome the second prize. Okay, so the second prize I'm gonna mention is the best market potential. So the way I see the best market potential is the prize that all these judges think they can make money straight away. So again, VCs, please have a look, okay? So, not this one. This one's the winner, by the way. All right, okay, so this team is interesting. This team got team members from different backgrounds. So, which means they have Asians, they have Australians. I think they're from Australian. Maybe they're from other nations, but I don't know. All right, let's welcome 2025 NextGen Best Market Potential. Miss Wizard dear, you got the antlers. Congratulations. So let's take the picture together. All right, 1, 2, 3.
Come up.
You want to come on the stage? Yeah, please. right. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. So you want to have
Thank you, the team. Like when we were saying to other people that we want to do Antler Challenge, they were like running away from us because Antler Challenge was pretty much the difficult one. But thank you, Grace and Alex, because Alex was like side in the room, and then we went to him, and he's like, okay, why not? And she was ready to do Complex Challenge, and we both work at the same workplace, and he's like, okay, let's do a hackathon, and I was like, okay, if we are teaming up, we'll win for sure. So, yeah.
It was lovely meeting everyone at the event. You all did amazing things in just 1 week, so that was incredible.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, guys. All right. Another emotional moment, because actually, I want to get another recognition with the team, Mess with the Deer, Meet with Antler, because you guys are actually the second nominated team for the winner. So another round of applause. All right, so I guess I must tell you guys the winner. So this team, there is a guy very interests me a lot because he is fun and tall, taller than me actually, taller than me. So if your team got a team member which is taller than me, you're probably gonna win this game. So the thing I really value about this team, because their solution is so comprehensive, so that they consider all kinds of aspects. And there's a word that I remember a lot. Actually, the pitch that happened last time is that they are not just building a hackathon, they are building a serious business. So let's welcome 2025 NextGen Hackathon winner, ACASE! So let's welcome Haiti House to just give them a prize. Yeah. All right, so what's going to happen next? I think from the team perspective, you guys need to talk to Haiti Health because you guys own the IP. So you know what's going to happen, right? Everything, yeah, okay. Yeah, yeah, funding, for sure. All right, so do you want to have some sort of recommendations for the team solutions or everything?
I don't really have any recommendations. I think you did a really fantastic job. Our brief was very unique in that it was 2 parts and no one else had a brief like this, where you had to actually pretend like you're a startup, do your own user discovery, and actually find opportunities and gap in the market. Then you apply it with agentic AI using voice and calls, which is exactly what you did. And so I think I'm very proud of what you achieved, and you should be proud of yourself too. And so everyone give them a big round of applause.
All right. And again, the guy who's taller than me is him. And yeah. All right, so who's the team leader who's gonna speak up? Okay, so we can.
You wanna go first? I wanna go first. You go. Okay, cool. We're just gonna say that again. We're not just see this as a hackathon. We're really serious as potentially see it as a business. As you probably already see in the demo, we are end-to-end working system, agentic AI solution for clinic booking, not just taking inbound calls, but also outbound calls. And also we're not just for GPs, all the allied health, radiologists, audiologists, like whatever they need patients booking involvement. We're here to have a chat. If you want to see a live demo or you want to have any questions, just come to us, have a chat. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Well, she spoke everything that I wanted to speak. I don't know what to speak anymore.
Okay, we did a good job.
We actually did. So we actually did a really great job, but not as like individuals, but as a team. We actually all came together, and we were very particular, even from the start, that who we want to partner up with. We actually had to do a little bit of speed dating kind of scenario. It was quite awkward and weird, but then we found the perfect team that we actually built the system, and we were very synchronized from the very beginning. And I think we agreed, and one of the things that I loved about the team was respect for each other. I think everybody respected each other's ideas, and they were very open about these ideas. And then that's how we had little less of a friction while we built this system, and then we were able to take it from 0 to 100 in a matter of days, actually. It was not even a week, just few days, to be honest.
Yeah, also, we all have a 9 to 5 day job, so that's really built after work.
Exactly, this was built after work. I worked 2 jobs, and this is like, became a 3rd job after the work, so kind of like a Neo.
And I'm looking for work.
Yes.
Actually, I'm really great to meet all of these teammates. We're from very different backgrounds. We have Ziggy. She has really good marketing and business eyesight, and she worked as a receptionist before, so she brought us a lot of help on this one. And our Mayank, he is very great, and he has he has his own startup. Is he?
No, I work at a startup. I wish.
Next step. And he also teaches in UNIMEL, and Richard also teaches in UNIMEL, and that's a lot of good backgrounds. And also we have our Diana, and she is like really good teammate as well. And everyone brought a lot of their ideas inside to make it works perfectly.
And Eva.
Oh,
our AI, one of our AI engineers.
Yeah, my background is also like a little bit connected to UNIMEL. I graduated from UNIMEL, then I worked as an AI engineer. Go for it.
Yeah, it's my pleasure to working with these excellent guys and super nice, and I think it's very exciting for me to winning this hackathon, and that's all.
I just want to add on one last sentence. Like, even though you heard we're all from different backgrounds, but we all have a very strong, solid foundation in technology. That's why we make this happen, and that's also the reason we think we can potentially become a company. So, like, let's have a chat.
You guys looks like, I'm telling you in advance, you guys gonna win. Like, everyone's well prepared in terms of like these words, like when they're gonna win sort of things. All right, let's give them a round of applause, and thank you guys so much. All right. Okay, so now let's just hand our mic to team as well. So, yeah.
Thank you very much for the being the audience for the awards, and congratulations to the teams that have won the awards. Round of applause, please, again. Now, I guess thank you all for being here for so long today, and this will be a very quick closing words, and I would like to extend from the winning team of this competition. So last week I had the honor to interview them during the team challenge winning stage, and they've told me that they have come from different backgrounds in terms of their daily professions. Some of them work in healthcare, some of them work in UI UX, some of them work in building AI solutions. And it's NextGen AI that gathered them together, and that's what makes the team, co-host team, really happy about this event, that we gathered so many people to make a great project and to make things that actually work for real impact. So I guess thank you all to the participants and the audience today, and we wish you all the best for the future. And just a final note from me, please have a safe trip back home. And if anyone wants to take photos, there will be a photo station at the start, at like the registration gate. And thank you all so much for today. Thank you very much. And see you guys again for the future. So here's the QR code, LinkedIn. Yes, thank you very much. Sorry. Feel free to scan the QR code to follow more events on the AI Next Gen page from LinkedIn. Thank you very much. Thank you all.